RONDO2 has several indicator lights. These tell you information about your audio processor. When turning on RONDO2, the blue indicator light shows which program is selected. One blue blink indicates that program 1 is selected. 2 blue blinks indicate that program 2 is selected. 3 blue blinks indicate that program 3 is selected. 4 blue blinks indicate that program 4 is selected. If the optional status light is activated, a short blue blink will blink every 3.5 seconds to show that RONDO2 is working properly. When using the Fine Tuner remote with your RONDO2, the blue light will blink shortly every time a Fine Tuner command is received by your processor. A continuous blue light indicates that either minimum or maximum volume or microphone sensitivity has been reached. A rapidly blinking blue indicator light shows that RONDO2 needs charging. If the link check function is activated, the green indicator light will blink 3 times when RONDO2 is placed over the implant. This shows that RONDO2 is working correctly and is communicating with your implant. If you have a C40 or C40 Plus implant, the green light will blink quickly once. This shows that your processor is working correctly. If the red indicator light blinks repeatedly, RONDO2 is positioned over the wrong implant. Ensure RONDO2 is positioned over the correct implant. Short red blinks 10 seconds apart indicate RONDO2 has powered off. Turn it off and on again and reposition it over the implant. Any other indicator light signals suggest that there may be a technical issue with your RONDO2. Contact your CI center for further assistance.